Just a brief introduction to the servo motor kit that I have on eBay for the Chinese leather shoe patching machines. You'll receive the main gear, the pinion gear for attaching to the servo, an idler pulley that has a skate bearing on the inside, and it will have the bolt and nut for attaching it on your system. And this is the bobbin threading thing that goes over. And you get the belt. And it will all be squeezed into a 6x6 box. Yes, it does barely fit. This might squish a little in transit, but it'll come back around when you glue it onto your patcher. I used 5-minute epoxy on mine, and I just carefully got it into place so that it's even on all points. You could also use silicone RTV, and once the silicone hardens, it would take up any shear force for rotation. It would work just fine, and it would make it removable in the future if you want to pull it off. Couple other points. Let's see. Your goal is to make sure that this idler pulley is keeping the belt on the main pulley. So you'll mount it in a lateral position so that once it's bolted onto your plate, it's lined up. And of course, the servo also has to be lined up, but that's easy with these servos because here's the mounting mechanism, and when you loosen this thread, you're able to slide the motor back and forth, and then you retighten that. This is the original plate that comes with the servo motor. I cut mine off, and this plate happens to be the plate that came on the servo motor foot pedal, and since I removed mine and put it on a lead brick, I had that plate available, but you'll be able to figure out something or go to Home Depot and get some angle iron. Anyway, that's how you mount it. And the final tensioning of the belt system, it doesn't have to be tight. It can have, wobble, but your final tension is set by this bolt down here and the rotation of the servo motor. And that's how you do it. All right, hope you enjoy. Thanks.